Welcome to our YouTube channel, ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. I just wanted to give you some overview. Here are the playlists that we are keep on uploading. This is our channel. You can subscribe our channel for all the topics. Okay, and you can go ahead and watch the video. Thank you. Inherit, always unchecking it. Okay, in high level, I tell you something. See, okay, the topic is next topic actually. Okay, but I tell you something. See, in our service now, everything works with and child, parent and child. Okay, when you say parent and child, what is the combination? What is parent and what is child? The properties of parent. Okay, the properties of parent can be applicable to this guy also. Correct? In general. In our service now also, okay, in our service now also, we will have some parent tables. Some parent tables will be there. In the parent tables, okay, it is already builded. End to end. It is already builded with end to end means it is created the table and columns. End to end means all columns. Columns are created. That is one of the table. Parent tables means it is already built inside the system, and on every table, okay, all columns are created. All columns means all type of columns. Oh, so how many type of columns are there in our service now? Maybe 50 plus. Okay, so most of the things which are required, all the fields or type of columns already created inside the parent tables. Okay, inside the parent table. So in our service now, we do have one option. Whenever one of the table is ABC, it is a parent table. Okay, when parent table is having all type of fields which are already created. Fields which are already created. Okay, which are already created. Now I'm going to be create one other application. The other application name is means table name is XYZ. So I do have one table name. The table name is XYZ. So an XYZ table, I don't want to create from scratch. From scratch means all the fields from scratch. I don't want it to be created. What I wanted to be do, okay, the columns which are already there, one of the table called ABC, that is parent table, all type of columns, I can be able to retrieve or copy into my XYZ table. Whenever I'm creating XYZ table, I don't want to create it. That whatever we did till now. How we did, ma? We just went to table and created from scratch, right? For our application, for our BGV application. Is that correct? For our BGV
Yes.
application, how did we create? From scratch means to understand every type of columns, every type of fields, we had created it. Now we got somewhat measured, like we are handling it. We are able to control something on the instance. So on the parent table, the all type of fields are already created. Those fields I will be copying into my table. My table is this. So here, for example, 50 columns are there created. All 50 columns will be copied into my table also. Means the moment I copied, I will be using some topic, then copied it. Okay. Okay. There are 50 columns are there. 50 columns came into my table. Then I created the application also for XYZ. Okay. And after creating the application, for example, or before creating the application, I opened my form. Okay. And on the form, I had created one UI policy. I had created one UI policy on XYZ. Okay, on XYZ application form, I had created one UI policy. If you create UI policy for this situation, whatever created the UI policy should not be impacted this table
The
or
parent.
these 50 columns. Are you understanding now? So, see, some topic will be involved here. When you copied it, right? The when you add or when you do something, all the fields come and sit in your table. The topic can be calling as inherit in general way. Inherit means if I do one thing, then all other stuff can be coming. It's kind of short way. Inherit the properties of parent table should be coming here. So here you had some option. Go to our instance and see. You had some option. This inherit is unchecked. Means the tables that extend the specific table inherit this UI policy. Means if I check this right, if I create UI policy on XYZ table, okay, XYZ table, that should be applicable, that should not be applicable for parent table, means parent other application. It should not be applicable for this. It should be applicable for me only when you uncheck it. If you check it, it will be applicable for on other forms also. That is the significance of this. It should be always uncheck it, make it false. Fine. This is what the options that you must understand in UA policies. Fine, ma?
Is it vice versa, right? We can, if we do it on parent, it will be applicable for child as well, right?
That's how we build it usually. So if this is right, so if some changes are applied here, even though it should not be applied here. So that's how our application will be built.
Okay.
Okay, because parent table is means what? Parent can be having many childs. For example, 100 applications are there, 100 tables are there. If parent made some changes, it should not be applicable all the childs. It should not be
Okay.
actually. Just they need to use the properties of parent table. That's it. That is other topic. I will come to that point in next session itself, or today I can introduce it. Okay, that is what one topic is important interview question. Fine.